By changing the order of integration, the integral this can be expressed as. So associated options are given to us and we have to find right one option. As integral is which is given to us 0 to 1, and this is square root of y to 2 minus y f of xy, and this is dy dx. This one is given to us. To change the order of integration, our first need is what is the reason. As y is involved here, so this is the limit of x, so x equal to root y, x equal to root y, this is lower limit, and x equal to 2 minus y, this is upper limit, and constant limit of y is 0 and upper limit is 1. Using this limit, find the reason of integration. So this is parabolic structure, this is origin 0 0, this is the line which is represented by x plus y is 2. This can be written as x plus y is 2, and this point is 1 comma 1 because of x equal to root y, this representing that only the positive values of x. So this is only the reason, shaded portion is the reason. So we need to change because this integration is first taken in respect of y. So now take in respect of x. Sorry, this integral first taken with respect of x. Now take with respect to y. So break this portion because limit of or this strip can changes from curve touching. So in this lower portion I can change the color of pen so you can understand better. So in lower portion you can understand a strip can take the value 0 to this curve, parabolic curve, which can be written as in terms of x square f of xy dy dx, and constant limit of x is 0 to 1, plus now integration of upper portion will be, now this is from 0 to, now this line 0 to 2 minus x, and this limit is from 1 to 2 f of xy dy dx. Now which one option is correct? So option C is correct.